Many people feel anxious or fearful before dental treatment. Dental anxiety often causes patients to delay or avoid dental visits. A recent clinical study explored a simple, drug-free way to manage this anxiety. Researchers examined the effects of lavender aromatherapy in dental patients. The study involved patients undergoing wisdom tooth surgery. Some patients received lavender essential oil while others did not. Anxiety levels, heart rate, breathing, and stress hormones were measured. After treatment, patients exposed to lavender appeared more relaxed. Heart rate and breathing rate were lower in the lavender group. Stress hormone levels were also significantly reduced. Experts note that aromatherapy does not replace medical treatment. Lavender may work as a supportive method to reduce dental anxiety. More research is needed, but the results appear promising. Would you try aromatherapy before a dental visit?